Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, class. Today we will discuss the cytoskeleton. We are basically discuss the different structures present in the cell. Cytoskeleton provide basically shape to the cell. It's just like your body has skeleton and it gives your body to stand and shape. Similarly, cell also have a skeleton in the form of cytoskeleton, which hold the cell and give it shape. Okay. And basically it is made up of network of microfilaments and microtubules. This is microfilaments and they are also microtubules. These are long cylinder like structure. These are tubules and these are microfilaments. Microfilaments and microtubules, these are basically proteins and they are made up of protein. Microtubules, they are made up of tubulin proteins and their basic function is hold the cell and give the proper shape to the cell. Okay, and they are these tubulin proteins. They are also a component of cilia and flagella. These are basically present in some microorganism for the locomotion, movement में help करते हैं, and they are also have different function in different organisms. Okay, next component of the cytoskeleton is microfilaments. They are basically thinner and they help to change the shape of the cell according to their function. So this is basically the cytoskeleton, which is this is the diagram. Okay, and this is basically network of microfilaments and microtubules. Okay, next we will discuss the different cell organelles present in the cell. Okay, we have discussed the different structures in the cell. Now the different organelles. Actually there are dozens of organelles present in the eukaryotic cell, which mostly eukaryotic cell have these organelles. We will discuss them one by one, and every organelle have specific function and which it perform. First organelle we will discuss is the nucleus. Nucleus is, as you know, is present, is like the brain in the cell and is present in all prominent nucleus is present in eukaryotic cells. For example, this is a eukaryotic cell, the plant cell, and this is animal cell. This is in plant cell and in animal cell, both cell have nucleus. In plant cell, their position in mature cell is different. So because in mature cell there is a large vacuole present inside the cell. This is the large vacuole, and because of that nucleus is present on one side of the cell, whereas in animal cell this is present inside the cell in the center. This is animal cell and in the center this is nucleus. Okay, so in plant and animal cell both cell have nucleus in them. Okay, and if we talk about its composition, it's surrounded by a nuclear envelope. Nucleus is surrounded by a nuclear envelope. This is structure of nucleus and this is the layer around the cell. Nucleus is called the nuclear envelope. Actually nuclear envelope is double membrane. Okay, it contain also small pores which is called nuclear pores, and because of this pore it also act as a semi-permeable membrane, that it allows some molecules to the nucleus. So that's why only selective movement inside the nucleus take place because of this nuclear envelope. Okay, inside the nuclear envelope there is also a nucleoplasm. This nucleoplasm actually is a granular fluid. Granular fluid and it contains one or two nucleolus. One nucleolus, as it's shown in here. Nucleolus is basically dark spot inside the nucleus, and it is site where ribosomal RNA are formed and assemble as a ribosome. यानी यहाँ पे ribosomes form होते हैं nucleolus के अंदर. This is also important regarding paper में भी nucleolus का function पूछ लिया जाता है. Okay, and there is also chromatin inside the nucleus. Chromatins are actually thread-like structure and they are form chromosome during cell division, and this chromosome are only visible during cell division, and during actually cell division have different phases. In interphase these chromosome are visible. This is structure of chromosome. Basically chromosome it's look like in this shape in during cell division. Normally this is not visible, and it is in thread like structure which is called chromatin. Okay, or chromosome basically in eukaryotic cell it is made up of DNA and protein. Okay, so in eukaryotic chromosome is made up of DNA, which is abbreviation of deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA and protein. And in prokaryotic cell its chromosome composition is different, and because in prokaryotic cell do not have a prominent nucleus, and there here is the shape of structure of prokaryotic cell, and in it there is chromosome is submerged in the cytoplasm. There is no nucleus in the, this is basically chromosome, this thread like structure, and it is present inside the cytoplasm, and it is made up of only DNA, and it do not have any protein. So this is the difference between chromosome of prokaryotic and eukaryotic DNA. Okay, so this is also the diagram of prokaryotic cell, and you have to practice it. And this is nucleus, ये भी आपने practice करनी है, and this is for your practice. इस तरह से इसकी practice करेंगे अच्छे से. And okay, I think this is, and also make short question and MCQs from it. And then from today, Allah Hafiz.